Mama don't know that I got Joe up in my dresser. Friend on the finesse side, get money impressive. Calling at my phone time zone, yeah, that's extra. Put it in the pocket, cows on a plot of pressure. Double up the cut, cause you know we pouring that. And she know I'm with my squad, so she tryna mob with us. 8 hoes moving with me like a fucking octopus. I'm out to lean and go to sleep, and that Addy keep me up.
I yelled at these guys to stop fighting because they were being all belligerent, pushing around. That was not playing. They were pushing each other into lockers.
Damn.
People over here snitching, bro.
Hey, go to my office.
Bro, people really out here snitching, bro.
What's up?
Why the fuck that shit always happen?
Come here, nigga.
How? This shit ain't even funny for real. Oh my god.
Yo, you jinxed yourself.
Nigga.
Bro, you got shit in your head.
Nigga, this is for real.
Oh, hey.
Bro, this shit is nasty. And it's everywhere, bro. Come on, I just had my shit done. Come on. Bro. Did it get on my fucking bag? Bro, it got everywhere. This is not funny. It's fucking disgusting, bro. What the fuck? No. Shit is fucked up.
So disgusting, dude. It's like, I can still kind of see it.
Shut up.
Shit on. Let me see my dog.